Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Quadratic Equations Part 2 worksheet. So this is another worksheet on solving quadratic equations, and you have 8 examples to work on. If you're not quite sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the video. That is the lesson on this very topic, and it will explain how to do all these examples. So I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the next slide, which gives you the answers. You can pause this slide for as long as you like, obviously. Okay, we'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. So this slide gives you the answers for the previous slide. I'll leave it on for about a minute or so to see how you went, but obviously you can pause it for as long as you like, and then I'll move on to the last slide. Okay, I'll now move on to the last slide, and here it is.